Well, welcome to Tool Talk, and today's tool is actually unique only to this studio because it's huge, large, big. A skylift! I always say the right tool for the right job, and for this job we needed to have a skylift. You could see the control panel and check out all the things you're not supposed to do. Yes, I know this isn't making glass, but when you're in a studio, you have to be prepared for anything. Oh, Jesus! Well, back on planet Earth, thank you for joining us at Tool Talk, and get your art on.